Hey, welcome back to the program. This is your Real Estate Chalk Talk, and we're in the middle of our first show of 2018. Thanks for staying with us. Vikings are going to the Super Bowl. There's absolutely no question about that, right?
Oh my gosh, he said that on air. We're all supposed to not talk about it.
Oh, is that right?
We're supposed to just let it happen because we all don't want to be disappointed. It's just the way we are.
I've been disappointed 4 times.
That's right, and you don't want to get yourself too worked up.
Nah, I bounce back.
Set yourself up for disappointment.
That's baloney. I want to be crushed again. Okay.
Well,
Roof-to-deck
add that
restoration,
attitude, you will.
roof-to-deck decoration, roof-to-deck decoration and restoration.
Right.
Back in the studio, Mike. Welcome back.
Thanks for having me, guys.
So you've been last fall. You decorated a bunch of houses, and have you taken all those down now, or are they still up, or what's your timeline on that?
Right. So we're starting to take them down, kind of now.
Negative 10 degrees outside.
Exactly.
You might hold off.
So there's no. I mean, for most people, there's no rush. Some people there is, and if there is, then great, we'll take them.
Turn them off.
Yeah, just unplug them. It's no problem. They're off. And then you really don't want to take things down out of trees when it's this cold.
Yeah.
Because everything is so brittle. Right. Yeah. So we don't want to wreck anything. So if the customer allows us to wait till it's at least in the 20s or that sort of thing, then we're good.
Talk to us about going forward now. It's 2018. It's January 2018. Talk about what your plan is now and how people are calling in and how you're scheduling work going forward. And before we get into too much of that, just keep people a little refresher on what it is exactly that they're calling in and scheduling.
Okay, so I always tell people we're kind of a calendar-driven business. So April through October, we're a exterior wood restoration company. So that's decks, fences, gazebos, porches, cedar-shake roofs, clean and stained, that sort of thing. And then October, November, and a little bit of December, just like you mentioned, we design and install Christmas lighting. And then the winter time for the city of Roseville, and what I mean by that is the residents of Roseville, we plow snow. And then we do ice stand removal, and I'll talk about that in a moment. And then we also have a commercial division, and that's year-round. Again, when it's this cold, we can't get out there. But we wash tractors, trailers, parking garages, buildings, awnings, graffiti removal, all that stuff. In fact, we just did a graffiti removal stop yesterday.